Oh,
Hello everyone, we all are here to present the event Euphony under the competition strategic of business analysis of Khadi fabric. Our school code is 19 and the participants are Deepal, Shruti and Akshat.
Topic is Khadi fabric marketing. Market overview of the product. Market is an activity of encouraging and selling of products and services including advertising and research. Marketing plays a crucial role when it comes to products like khadi. Our topic is all about khadi fabric. Khadi fabric, which is obtained from khada, is a hand-spun and woven natural fiber cloth coined in 1918 by Mahatma Gandhi. Schemes introduced by government for khadi fabric. SFURTI. SFURTI is a scheme of fund for regeneration of traditional industries. Ministry of MSME has launched this scheme in this year, 2005, with the view to promote development. MDA. MDA is a promotion for development of khadi. MDA is a paid at 20% on production. Out of the MDA paid out to the institution, 25% goes to artisans as direct incentive, 30% to institution for production, and 45% for marketing. Variety of khadi. Khadi fabric. Khadi cotton fabric. This type of khadi is made from pure cotton yarn. Khadi cotton has different variants according to the demand of the fashion industries like handlooms, khadi cotton, textile, khadi cotton. Woolen khadi fabric. This type of khadi fabric is made from fine quality of wool. Pandora khadi. This khadi fabric is rarely available in the market. It is used to make expensive khadi sarees. Other khadi products are natural sandalwood and kesar moisturizer. Consumers of khadi in India. In total, there are 15,431 sales outlets, out of which 7,050 are owned by the company. They are spread all over India. Foreign consumers of khadi products. The government is eyeing massive international exposure for khadi by positioning it as an Indian brand which only the Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KYIC) is entitled to promote by claiming and of as its own, and a bigger footprint in foreign missions are exhibitions as an official sale. A German company named Khadi GRB has registered Khadi as a trademark with the European agency OHIM, Office for Harmonises in the internal market. Spain-based OHIM is the nodal agency looking after trademarks.
SWOT analysis of Khadi fabric. Strengths of Khadi fabric. Khadi cotton clothes can be worn in any season. It is the one and only fabric that is fully natural. These are handmade products, so last longer and can easily be washable. No electric unit or manufacturing unit needed to manufacture the product. Now, what are the weaknesses of Khadi fabric? The material is very porous. It causes itchiness on skins. It shrinks readily. The material and texture is not smooth. It doesn't offer many styles. Now, what are the opportunities of Khadi fabric? The Khadi clothes are used to prepare a variety of Indian enriched garments. The Khadi is used to make home decor items like curtains, cushions, bed sheets, tablecloths, and mats, etc. Now, what are the threats for Khadi fabric? There is inconsistency in supply and demand, lack of awareness among people and businesses, the plight of cotton farmers. There is slow trickle down of research and development work. Now, what are the solutions for these threats? Transportation should be better so that there is consistency in supply and demand. More advertisement should be done so that people are aware of khadi fabric. More workers should be appointed for more production and development.
Competitors of Khadi. Cotton is giving good competition to Khadi. The Khadi India is a non brand, but to every successful brand, brands have competitors. Due to increase in demand, Khadi must have to make his brand best in every aspect. Now the question is, who are the competitors? Cotton is a good competitor of khadi in market, not because people used to wear cotton in spite of khadi. The quality of cloth khadi provides no one can provide, but due to its high cost, people prefer to choose another one. The demand of khadi is decreasing day by day because it is made up of hot material. As per the Indian flag code, only khadi fabric is acceptable to create the Indian flag. It's made with other material. There are imprisonment of 3 years and also fine punishable by the law. Increase in production. Khadi is now ready with latest winter collection. Modern machinery is taking over the traditional methods of manual crafting. The fabric now also comes with initiative cuts and styles. How to increase the productivity? To increase the productivity of khadi, the Khadi India must have to adopt some new ideas to increase the productivity. These are some trustworthy facts which must be taken by any brand. People purchase any product on the basis of demand, and the demand increase automatically when people find good stuff. Positive impact on customers. Take feedback from the customers. Ask from customer where improvement is needed, what is not good for the product, how can we serve you better. Give some discount and offers. Try to give attractive discounts and offer on the stuff in order to attract customer towards your brand. Advertisement. Advertisement through some social media influencers, newspapers, magazine, radio, television, banner, and YouTube. These are the advertisement methods through which we can advertise our product. Put some attractive statue or figure in every shop of khadi which will attract the customers to check in the shop or the brand. There are some ideas which will surely help to improve and increase the productivity of khadi. Thank you.